elders, sorry, I just woke up. I'm going to sing a song called Rain. Starts in a little, but there. Okay, here we go. Rain falls down with one drip, drip, drip. Rain falls down with two drip, drip, drips. Then it starts coming all down, drip, drip, drip. Then we start dancing in the dark with you between my arms. We are scared a little bit because there's some thunder there. You'll be okay, my sweet darling. You'll be okay. We'll be okay together as a happy family. One raindrop goes drip, drip, drip. Two raindrops go drip, drip, drip. Then there is a lot more, and it goes drip, 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 drip. And we'll be dancing in the dark, you between my arms. We will be perfect as a family. I'll protect you as my heart. I'll protect you with all my heart, with all my love. Without you, I'm just a sad, sad song. I'll protect you, my sweet baby. You're a little scared of the hard rain. It'll be okay, so you need to remember me. Remember me for centuries. I'll take care of you if you take care of me, my sweet baby. Remember me for centuries. Yeah, 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 my sweet baby. You will remember me, right? Yes, yes, yes. My mommy, woo, woo. I'm in harmony for centuries. Now we'll be flying through the universe as a sweet family. Remember me for centuries. I hope you liked that video. Please hit the subscribe button, the like button. I need a lot of views so I can see you guys and sing on tour. Bye.